Action.
Aaron, solve this problem.
Okay.
Wrong. Let me go over this again. Is there any way you'll listen?
I'm more of a visual learner.
Artiste? Pythagoras was born on an ancient island called Sumos in ancient Greece. He was born in 570 BC and died in 495 BC. He also traveled a lot when he was young. He is credited for creating the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Which is that the legs of a triangle will always equal the hypotenuse. Rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction. An irrational number is a number that can't be written as a fraction. Also, finding the square root is the inverse operation of squaring. Do you get it?
Yeah, sure. Give me some problems.
Sure. Let's say my mouth is 5.1 inches. Would this pizza fit in my mouth? Please solve for the hypotenuse of the pizza.
Okay. So I know that I have to square each number. So 3 squared would be 9, since 3 times 3 is 9. 4 squared would be 16, since 4 times 4 is 16. We all know 9 plus 16 equals 25. Now what times what equals 25? 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So that means this must be 5, since it's the square root of 25.
Very good. Correct. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We have a wall. This side of the wall is 20. This side of the wall is 26. What does A equal?
Okay, so this is harder because you have to solve for A given this. So 26 times 26. Here, let me have a calculator. Do this real quick. Equals 676. And 20 times 20 equals 400. Alright, so the hypotenuse, we need to subtract 400 from 679.
676.
676 minus equals 276. Now, let's find square root. I'm going to use my calculator here. Ding! 16.13.
Over here we have a hill. The tallness of the hill is 8
miles.
The length of the hill is 6 miles. Solve for C.
Alright, so the hypotenuse would be 6 squared, which is 36. And then 8 squared, which would be 64. 100. Since 64 plus 36 equals 100. Now, who wouldn't know the square root of 100? 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So So C equals 10.
Correct.
The end.